Now, in my cast iron frying pan, I am frying up some bacon, fresh bacon, smoked bacon, for the potato salad. I never use the fake bacon chips because this gives it a little bit more flavor when somebody juices it into the potato salad. Boy, that looks really, really yummy. The potatoes are cooked and sliced into hunks. I will be putting a tablespoon of vinegar, and then the salt I use is the sea salt, and then mayonnaise, and then this is dry parsley flakes, and my eggs are all done and ready to go, and paprika will be used to top it off. And here is sliced very thinly some onions and little pieces of celery. And then this, I'll put a little bit of oregano. And here I have my 1.5 teaspoons of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon or less of pepper. Depends how big of a batch you are making. And when the bacon is done, we will put this all together. Bacon is now done. Nice and crispy, but it's not burnt. And this will be broken up into little pieces and added to the potato salad. The salt and pepper and vinegar and celery has been added to the potatoes so far. Now I have added all the onion also with the little pieces of the bacon that was fried and broken up. Continuing. For the regular recipe, you're supposed to use 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now, I have used much more because I doubled my recipe. So this is, let me see, it's a big jar. It has omega-3 in it too, how about that? They say this is 30 ounces. And I used 3/4 of this to make sure everything was coated because I added the eggs, as you can see. Now everything is added, and I will put it in the other container, and I will add a little parsley flakes on the top and some paprika. You'll see when it's done. Now here is your finished product, the potato salad. Feels pretty heavy. I topped it off with paprika and dried parsley flakes after I put the other pieces of egg on the top. It does look very good. I've used this recipe for many years for baptisms, graduations, anything that we had to make a big dish for. Well, I hope you enjoy. If you like potato salad, you will love this one. One more thing. If you make it the day before, it will gather all the different flavors. But remember to keep it in the refrigerator because of the mayonnaise.